morning people, welcome back to Charlie and me, our camping vlog. It is a Tuesday morning, actually it's the last day of February, and we're heading to Kilrush Marina campsite, to be exact, in County Clare. I've been trying to get there for the last 3 or 4 weeks, but the van got sick. I think I had a bit of a tip one day, and then when I got that fixed I rang Kilrush and rebooked my date, and then the power steering pump went, and that took a couple of weeks to get parts. As you can see, Charlie is ready to rock and roll. He's in good form today. We're actually down the park. We're going for a walk first thing this morning, and then we're got to go back to the house because there's a courier due between 10:30 and 11:30, so we can't go till 11:30. Anyway, as I said, and I'll bring this camera down a bit. We are going to Kilrush Marina in County Clare. This video is brought to you with thanks to our friends at Happy Tough Conversions. More about them a little bit later on. happytoughconversions.ie. Everything you need. If you buy a panel van and you're converting it into a camper van, they have everything. One-stop shop. If they don't have it in stock, they will get it for you. So, a little bit of road footage. You can skip to here if you want to miss the road footage. It's not going to be a lot of road footage. I am going to try some new road footage music. Please let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. As you know, our very first piece of music that we've been using since day one, the copyright expired on it, so we had to stop using it. The one that we used for last season was okay, but this is a new piece, so let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. We're going to get out of here. We're going to go for a WALK, then we're going to head back to the house, and then we're going to hit the road. Next time I'll be talking to you, we'll be in Kilrush Marina in County Clare. Okay, so you would have seen from the drone footage that there are 2 glamping pods that you book on Airbnb. Come on, Charlie. So I'm going to turn the camera around. This is a very small site. This will be a very short video. Again, it's with thanks to our friends at happytoughconversions.ie. If you want anything for your van, even if it's a replacement skylight for your motorhome, water pumps, piping, anything at all to do with motorhome conversions or repair, the guys at Happy Tough Conversions will help you out. Right, I'm just going to walk up to the entrance here, and then I'm going to show you from Kilrush is literally a 5-minute walk to the first shop. It's literally, do you know what? Let me turn the camera and show you. That's the village up there. Literally, the gates are there, and the town is there. Charlie, come on. Right, so entrance there. When you make your way in, look at that boat. When you make your way into the marina, this is what you're greeted with. Now, there's also a sailing club here. It's a marina. Now, look at this. 2 glamping pods, which you book on Airbnb, and they're on the water.
I'd say that is brilliant, because glamping pods at the best of times are brilliant anyway. This is a popular marina, as you can see from the amount of boats here. I'd say that is worth a fortune. Now, there are 3 units here tonight. There are 8 pitches altogether, each with electricity and water. You get a key code, which brings you in that gate to the showers and toilets. You'll get shower tokens. You book online at kilrushmarina.ie. There's phone numbers then for in case of emergencies. I can't remember the code, so I'm not going to go in there and show you. I've left it in the van on my phone, but the toilets and showers are in there. I will get rid of Charlie and bring you in and show you. There are, as I say, 2 other campers and us. Where that camper is over there is where you fill your grey water, empty your black water, and then our pitch is there. You would have seen from the drone footage there are only 8 pitches, each with electricity and water. ScattyIslandTours.com, where you want to get out and do tour boats and dolphin watch and stuff like that, all happens around here. Good morning, people. It's March 1st, the 1st of every month. I say white rabbits, white rabbits, white rabbits. It's supposed to bring you luck. I've been saying it for about 40 years. We had a great night's sleep last night here in the marina at Kilrush Marina. So for a wrap up, I said I'll just bring you out. I'll show you the area where the toilets are without going into the toilets and showers and the washroom. Show you where the bins are, and we'll do a wrap up. So Dudley here is getting a feed of grass. It's only 7:30 in the morning. So there's a keypad here that opens that gate. Come on, Chaz. Which brings you into the marina. Now, in there are ladies and gents showers and toilets. There is a coffee machine, and there is a room with washing machines and tumble dryers. As you make your way down past reception, which opens at 9:30, but there is an out of hours number. I'm keeping my voice down because there are people asleep on the boats and it is only 7:30, and that's where you put your rubbish, with recycling and general rubbish as well. Look how peaceful it is here. So for a wrap up, let me tell you where you're at. Kilrush Marina, kilrushmarina.ie to make your bookings. They have 2 glamping pods on the water that you book through Airbnb. It is €25 a night, which includes your electricity, and it also includes your showers. They will leave tokens for you in the laundry room if you're going to be arriving late, which I think is an absolute brilliant idea as well. By the way, there's just a button here to push if you want to get out the gate. So, things to do. Oh yeah, there's Wi-Fi on site as well. The place is monitored by cameras 24/7 also. Things to do in the area. Kilrush is a 10-minute walk just out the gates there. I think a 10 or 15-minute drive will bring you to the wooded area where you can bring your dogs, go walking, go cycling. Right, now Dee Schmidt got onto me on Facebook, and somebody else got onto me, but for some reason my phone isn't opening Facebook this morning. But she was saying that there's a butcher's and a bakery right outside the gate, and then somebody else got onto me to say that there is a pub in town that does fantastic pints, fantastic food, and it's dog friendly, and they have a beer garden. So thank you for that. For some reason I just can't access Facebook on my phone. I put photographs up on Instagram and Facebook more or less when we get to a place, and then if I get any comments like from Dee and from that other person whose name just escapes me, we'll let you know about them. So details coming up in the titles of contact details here for Kilrush Marina. Thank you to our friends at Happy Tough Conversions for sponsoring this video. All their contact details are coming up at the end of the video as well. We're heading back to base, get a bit of breakfast, and then we'll be hitting the road to head back home. From me, Aaron, from Charlie Brown, take care, and we'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye-bye.